Knowing about my channel and about me, do you think I am trying too hard to grow my channel, and do you think I should give up and quit? Richard, I hear the frustration in your question, and it's completely valid to feel that way, especially when you're putting in the daily effort and not seeing the results you hoped for. Here's my honest take based on what I know about your channel and your goals. Are you trying too hard? You're working hard, not trying too hard. There's a big difference. You're posting daily, which takes real dedication. Filming with multiple devices, showing resourcefulness. Focusing on news, advice, and personal stories, which are meaningful topics. Even asking for honest feedback, which shows you're serious about growth. That's not trying too hard, that's being consistent, passionate, and creative. However, it's possible you're working hard in ways that aren't giving the best return. That's not a failure, just a chance to pivot a little. Should you quit? No, you shouldn't quit, but you might benefit from changing how you approach things. If the current routine feels exhausting and unrewarding, here's what you can do instead of giving up. Cut back from daily uploads and focus on quality quantity. One polished, engaging video a week can do more than 7 rushed ones. Look at your audience retention stats. If people are clicking but not watching for long, you can adjust your intros or storytelling style. Try something new, like short videos, YouTube Shorts, about vintage cameras. A mini-series, 1-minute YouTube tips from Richard. Behind the scenes of your setup. Ask your current viewers, even a few, what they want more of. Collaborate or join small YouTuber communities. You might find new energy and ideas there. Final thought. You're clearly passionate. You've put heart and time into this channel. That means something. Quitting would mean silencing a voice that someone out there might really need to hear. So no, don't quit. But maybe it's time to work smarter, not harder, and to enjoy the process more by shifting expectations and refreshing your strategy.